Penny for your thoughts.
Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. This one is my recipe for pork belly burnt ends or pork candy. Remember to smash the like button one and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama.
To start, spice rub. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Next, proceed to slap your meat around a little bit.
Thank you.
Remove the skin and use that for crackling. Cut into long strips and then cut into bite-sized chunks. Season these with a good pinch of salt. Take a minute to go get your barbecue or smoker ready in your best attire. Coat the pork generously with your rub. And then get them on the barbecue. Keep an eye on them. Take them off when they're a dark mahogany colour. Cover the pork with butter, cut up into small pieces.
Butter. Is butter a carb?
Is butter a carb? Yes.
Scatter some brown sugar over and some honey, and then add over your favourite barbecue sauce. Be a link up in the corner here. Then cover them with foil. Get them back on the barbecue for around 10-15 minutes. You'll have perfect pork candy. Thanks for watching, team. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to butter the like button one, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama, what the hell you want with